It's day 2 of Blackout the System. With 170 million people on this platform, we're reaching more and more people each and every day. But today, this is what I want you to do. Make a video saying, I support Blackout the System. You can encourage people not to spend. You can encourage people not to work. You can encourage people to take their money out of the banks. But ultimately, I just want you to make a simple video saying, I support Blackout the System, and tag this profile. It's day 2 of the first wave of Blackout the System. Let's get loud.
Just enjoying the first day of Blackout the System. I don't know if you guys know, but we're doing that all this week. Don't buy anything. Don't go anywhere. Don't do jack shit. Just sit home, chill the out, and don't spend any money. Suffocate the economy by not spending any money or putting any money into it, and just chill the out. Can you do that? Can you just chill the for a week? Can you not go anywhere? Can you not buy anything online? Can you not order anything? Can you not go and spend any money for like 4.5, 5 days?
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're good, hope you're fine. In today's video, we're talking about Blackout the System.
Blackout the System. Blackout the System.
So Blackout the System is a protest, yeah? A protest against what people say oppression of the current administration. This protest, they did not go to the streets. You literally stay at home. You don't go to work. You don't buy anything. You don't put money in the system. So the government can feel it that, yeah, the people really do have power. And when they take the power away, then nothing really goes on. So before we get into that, my name is Philomena. Like this video as you are watching so YouTube can recommend it to as many people as possible. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
What is Blackout the System? Blackout the System is a movement of unity, bringing everybody together across all races, cultures, and classes. Ideally, what we're fighting for is equality, equity, and justice. And I think that if you have a fight, it falls up under that umbrella. There's no more separating us by race, right? There's no more separating us by our cultures. No more separating us by our classes. All those things make us different, yes, absolutely. But our differences also make us unique. And our uniqueness is the volume of our value. And that simply means that every single one of us have value. Blackout the System was birthed out of anger. It was birthed out of frustration. It was birthed out of anxiety. It was birthed out of pain. It was birthed out of a lot of things. Objectively, is to push back against corruption and greed. It's to dissolve all those lies that told us to look at each other as our race, culture, or class, and every nuance under those categories, instead of seeing each other as people. If race, culture, or class doesn't determine how you treat someone, please type, I see you in the comments. Join us September the 16th through the 20th to push back against corruption, greed, and lies.
So people have been talking about this Blackout the System for over a month now. I made a video about it. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it somewhere. You go take a look. Okay. So it was supposed to take effect from 16th to the 20th. So today being 19th, it has already kicked in and people are massively participating.
Hey guys, I need you to start spamming every social that you have because we are blacking out the system September 16th through the 20th. That's tomorrow. And we have thousands, if not millions of people participating, not even just in the United States, people in Canada, the United Kingdom, a lot of people are joining us. For the rest of this week, we are not working, we are not driving, we are not making any purchases from any corporations. We're only buying local and supporting our neighbors. And we are shutting down this system as hard as we can in whatever ways we can. Canceling your subscriptions, moving your investments, taking your money, putting it in a credit union, taking the kids out of school. And the people I really want to see participating are teachers, childcare workers, truckers, dock workers. Because when you guys shut down the system, the entire system shuts down. You guys have so much power if you collectively come together. All of us have so much power if we collectively get together. And the only language the people at the top of our system speak is money. They've been exploiting our labor, our time, and our resources for so long, and this system is not sustainable. So it's time for us to start building new systems and start living in new ways. by putting more of our time, money, and labor into our communities instead.
Today is September the 17th. That's Constitution Day. If you're not aware, this day has been celebrated because of the ratification of the Constitution. Let me explain. The Constitution was ratified to replace the weak Articles of Confederation. This was done to make a stronger, more balanced government that could protect liberty, maintain order, and promote unity across the states. Today, we push back because none of that is active. In fact, the Constitution has been weakened. The government has been thrown out of balance, and liberty, order, and unity across the states are falling apart as we speak. There's a statement people make, don't fix what's not broken. Well, the government's broken, the Constitution is broken, and it's time for a people's ratification. Liberty is real and can be achieved. Order is real and can be achieved. Unity is real and it can be achieved. But it's going to take people like you and me to make that happen. Stand up, push back, speak out, and black out the system.
Some people have said that this is not effective and people are going about their normal duties as usual. Shops are full. Others are saying that it's working. No one is going to the shops and people are not working. Like, people are effectively going on this protests, like, seriously. Now, what I want to know is, do you know about this protest? Are you participating? Let me know what you think in the comment section.
I keep doing this video and TikTok keeps removing the sound. So I'm telling you, I support blacking out the system. Black out the system now. 2 years ago, I started talking about the Latino freeze. The Latino freeze and black out the system are both basically one and the same. We're resistance. We do not support the oppression, the new government system that we have, the fascist system that we have in America. Black out the system means don't buy anything. Don't spend your money. Don't go to chain restaurants. Don't go to chain fast food restaurants. Don't buy gas on Friday. Why not Friday? So they'll know it was us. Don't go to any big box stores, especially not Home Depot. Don't go to Hobby Lobby. Do not go to Chick-fil-A. Don't spend your money with them as they are completely for your oppression and mine. Black out the system. Latino freeze. Combine the two and you have a powerful voice. Stop this bullshit now.
So I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I am definitely ready for the blackout tomorrow. I might not be prepared, but I am so ready to shut this system down. If you have not followed Blackout the System yet, please go do that now. Now is your chance to get involved in this movement. It does not end on the 20th. We are going forward and really working to make change. I spent 3 hours this morning after a phone call saying that there was a bear trap being placed in a neighborhood. Never did find the bear trap. Don't know if it was a hoax or if we just are going to find one when we go back out in, a few minutes after our lunch break. But I'm exhausted and this system is broken and it's not working for any of us or the wildlife that we live with or the planet that we live on. So yeah, I'm done and it is time to shut it down. So no work, no spending, get involved, black out the system.
I hope you guys are ready. The blackout system is starting tomorrow from the 16th to the 20th. What does that mean? No spending, no traveling, no working, nothing that involves helping our fishy, corrupted government. Entertainment purposes only. It's about time we be the change, y'all. And don't let people discourage you when it comes to this movement. Even if you do something when it comes to this movement, whether that's not going to work or whether that's not spending anything or whether that's not traveling, you are still doing something. Don't let nobody discourage you when they say, oh, you're not ready if you can't commit to these things. That's discouragement. That makes you not want to do it, okay? Do not listen to them folks. That's a negative energy you don't want to be involved in. Cool. Like I said, do what makes you comfortable. Me personally, since this is the first movement, I will be participating, but not to the fullest extent. Instead of taking the full 5 days off of work, I will be taking 3 days out of that 5 off. I will not be spending any money. I will not be traveling. That's something. So don't let nobody discourage you. I think it's actually time that we start doing movements like this. And if you can't do September's movement, you can't do this month's movement. They are planning to do a blackout system in October and November. I'm hoping this does become a monthly thing, that we get more people involved in this.
So I think people do want change, and if they will go through the legal means to express themselves and demand for change, then it's a step in the right direction. Yeah, honestly. So let's know what you think in the comment section, guys. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you are watching the channel for the very first time, my name is Philomena. Like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.